So this is our new modular grill here. So this is us leaning into the build it, make it your own for Bronco. This is a surround that comes with different inserts, top and bottom, that you can then paint and make it whatever color your heart desires. You can see we have it painted up here, different colors, just to give some options. 60th anniversary gave us the opportunity to really build this out. This is a genuine Ford accessory. You can buy it in the dealer channel. Since it's a genuine Ford accessory, it is fully tested to all Ford standards. That's one of the biggest differences for us. So you can run this thing in Johnson Valley on the hottest day out there and it's going to perform like the original equipment's going to. Something you can't say and you don't have confidence necessarily with an aftermarket grill. It fits all 21 through 26 Broncos except for Raptor. Either engine, easy install because the Bronco was made for stuff like this, right? We made it so you can pop this grill off nice and easy.